Hey guys, this is Dr. Gene here, and I just came to talk to you guys about this revolutionary product, the CBD Ameo Entune Patch. These patches here are a game changer, and they're a CBD patch, and I want to give you guys a little bit of a background on CBD, and I also want to give you reasons why I believe in this patch, and I support this patch, and how it's changing the market today. So first, let's talk about CBD. CBD is a non-psychoactive compound found in cannabis. It has shown to exhibit a multitude of effects. It's shown to be an anti-inflammatory. It's shown to have an analgesic effect. It's shown to have antioxidant effects. It's neuroprotective as well as anti-tumorigenic. I'm going to take a step later and break down each of these terms, why it's so important, and how CBD affects all these different sectors. So first, I want to talk about this product and the research that's been put behind this product, the effectiveness of this product, as well as the accuracy of this product. There's a lot of products out there today that are inaccurately labeled, where they're having too much THC or too much CBD or not enough CBD, and the FDA actually supports this in doing a study that shows that a large majority of the products out there aren't actually labeled correctly. Now that's extremely important because, as we know, there's a lot of state regulation and federal regulation when it comes to CBD, and there has to be some THC within this product for it to be effective. There's a synergistic effect with CBD and THC. However, you don't want too much THC so that you could either fail a drug test, which could put you in jeopardy of your job or your personal life, as well as you want to ensure that what you're actually getting as far as the milligrams of CBD is accurate, so you can actually relate the effectiveness, whether you need to go stronger or weaker. So when talking about this product, first we got to talk about the endocannabinoid system. The endocannabinoid system is, as the word states, it's a system. So it works to maintain the homeostasis in the body by connecting the body and the organs. There are cannabinoid receptors found throughout the whole entire body. So this will allow CBD as an active ingredient to cause a myriad of effects. And with those effects comes benefits. There has been a lot of positive evidence to support the use of cannabinoids with pain. There's been evidence to show that it helps with weight gain in HIV patients. There's been evidence to show that it helps with sleep disorders, Tourette syndrome, and nausea and vomiting due to chemo. Further along, we will definitely talk about certain research studies and clinical trials that support this to further support the data. Now, one of the major effects that I've noticed, especially in regards to pain, is that I see a lot of my patients who are on opioids that use this product. They use less of their opioids, and it allows them to wean off of the opioids and to find other ways to provide benefit for their pain. Because there's a lot of patients that hear what's going on and see what's going on, and they want to find an alternative to what they're taking that's not going to cause the constipation, it's not going to cause the abuse potential, and it's going to still give them that quality of life that they're seeking. And I want to take a moment and talk to you guys about the negative effects of CBD, because oftentimes you hear about all the benefits and everything positive it can do, but you don't get too many people that tell you the drawback. And this is going to go towards our CBD product and all CBD products. There's been positive research to show that does have an effect on the liver, and it increases the liver enzymes. So it's important that if you're taking a CBD product, whether it's ours or any CBD product, that you talk to your pharmacist and you talk to your prescriber and you let them know that you're on this product, and you ensure that they're checking your liver function every 3 months. Also, CBD is metabolized by the P450 system. Now, what that means is there's a lot of possible drug interactions that can occur, and very notable ones include warfarin and epilepsy drugs. So it's very important that you work with your pharmacist one-on-one to go over all the medications that you're taking and ensure that it's not either increasing or decreasing the concentration of those medications, which can have an effect on your overall health and your disease state outcome. In 2017, there was an important study that showed that out of they evaluated 84 CBD products, and 26 of them were labeled correctly, ours being one of those products that were labeled correctly. So there's a reason why I'm focusing on this CBD product, the Ameo Squares, because it's labeled correctly. That already separates itself from a lot of other CBD products out there. So I want to take to dig in deeper into this Ameo CBD Square and Patch. This patch is fully compliant with all U.S. regulations. It's accurately labeled, as I mentioned before, and it has less than 0.3% of THC. Now, that is important because, like I said before, THC works synergistically with CBD. Also, it's important because it's extremely important because THC accumulates within fat cells. So you don't want to have a product that has too much CBD or too much THC because it can cause a negative drug test. You also want to ensure that whatever product you're using is going to be aligned with the state regulations and the federal regulations. Now, this product differs tremendously because it's a patch. Now, it being a patch, it allows for there to be a time release effect. Most CBD products, you take it and it releases a large dose at once, and then it's going to wean off over time. Now, specifically with my patients with pain, this product is a game changer because it allows you to put it on the area where you are experiencing the pain, and it allows a time release approach to releasing that benefit from the CBD every couple of hours over a 24-hour period. There aren't many products out there that can match with that time release effect. There's also other ingredients within this product that work together with the CBD to provide those benefits. Now, I want to go over those ingredients. Starting off with white willow bark. That is also an anti-inflammatory that has been used for thousands of years, that has shown to be very effective in reducing that inflammation in those areas. Now, there's also cat's claw, which is specifically an anti-inflammatory that's associated with the gastrointestinal tract. Now, that's very important, like I talked about earlier with patients, HIV patients that are experiencing weight gain or weight gain in general. We have a lot of gut inflammation throughout our gut that causes that excess fat, and it deters our ability to effectively process things throughout our gut. So that has an effect long term. There's also CoQ10. This improves heart health, it improves blood sugar regulation, and also treatment of cancer and reducing migraines. And how it does this is it reduces oxidative damage that leads to muscle fatigue and damage to the brain and the lungs. There's also black pepper, which is a very potent antioxidant, as well as demonstrating anti-inflammatory properties as well. Now, with the antioxidants, just to kind of give you a bit of a background, antioxidants, excessive free radicals can be formed from the exposure of pollution, cigarette smoke, sun rays, and the antioxidants will help prevent and delay the damaging effects of these free radicals. So overall, this is a great product. It's got a lot of other ingredients that work with the CBD. It's very safe. And outside the few concerns that I have raised, that I definitely encourage for you to make sure your prescriber and your pharmacist are following. With this product, however, you don't have to be as concerned because it has a strong enough concentration where you're going to get that benefit, but it's not as strong as some other products where you're going to see those drug interactions or you're going to see those elevated liver function tests. So this product is going to change the CBD market. And if it's something that you have any questions about, you can always click on the link below, or you can always message me personally. Or if you want to find more information how to get involved, if you want to either get involved as distributing, or if you want to take the product yourself, you can always reach me at the link below.